Crisp on the outside, soft at the center, coated in a glossy, flavorful sauce. Today, we are making paneer chili with fresh vegetables. For this recipe, I am using these fresh veggies: bell pepper, onion, spring onion, green chili, and chopped garlic. Start with 250 grams of fresh paneer. Cut it into medium-sized cubes, keeping the pieces even. Place the cubes into a mixing bowl. To the paneer, add 1 tablespoon corn flour and 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Season with salt to taste and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Gently toss until each cube is lightly coated. Heat oil on a medium flame for shallow frying. Place the paneer pieces carefully into the oil. Let them cook for a few seconds. Turn gently and fry until lightly golden, about 2 to 3 minutes. The outside becomes delicate and crisp while the center remains soft. Remove and set aside. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon corn flour with a quarter cup of water. Mix it and set aside for later use. Heat a pan with 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Add onions and bell peppers. Add spring onions and sliced green chili. Saute it on medium-high heat for about a minute. They should remain slightly crisp. Lower the heat slightly. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon green chili sauce. Stir gently to combine. Add half cup of water and let it boil for few seconds. Add 1 tablespoon Szechuan sauce. Let it simmer until the flavors combine. Pour the cornstarch slurry into the pan. Stir until the sauce thickens and turns glossy. Add the fried paneer back into the pan. Fold gently until each piece is evenly coated. The sauce should cling lightly, not too thick, not too thin. Add chili flakes and add the salt according to your taste. Turn off the heat, add chopped spring onion and serve immediately. If you enjoy this recipe, subscribe to Veg Wave Kitchen.